Hey, Rolling Country Outdoors, Scott here. I am out here digging up this pipe, this French drain pipe that we use to drain the gutters off the shop. I had nicked it and messed it up, so I'm trying to uncover it now so I can fix it. So that's what I'm working on now. I think I'm better off just taking the whole thing up, cleaning the ditch out again, and putting it back in. I think that's probably going to be my best bet, unfortunately. It's a shame, but I just don't see any other way to do it. I think they're in 10-foot sections. Oh, there's a section right there. Should be able to clean this up and lay a new pipe in there. So I've got a partial pipe up here. What I can do is, I don't know, let me get this cleaned up and just kind of see what we got there. Let me get this finished cleaned up. Convenient you come out here now.
Oh no, I had stuff to do. What are you doing?
Wait a minute.
Fixing your
Does
boo-boo?
it not look like it's self-explanatory what I'm doing?
Oh no, because you've already done this once, dear.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's what we're going with.
Yeah. There you are again.
Yeah.
Didn't you enjoy the first time you did it?
Yeah.
Not the second time? piece you broke? Huh?
I'm not talking to you right now.
No, you have to.
Okay. Well, there's a 10-foot section. I may have I got another piece in there, I think. Oh, you know what? I bet I put it down there at the end. But I don't have another piece.
Does it have to be this stuff?
Yeah. I'll go look. But now that I think about it, I think I did put it at the end down there.
You have other stuff up there in the lock thing. Where'd this come from? There?
One was on one end, the other was on the other end. I think that was down here.
This was down there? So
I think what I might do, though, while this is out, go ahead and get this stuff up here. Get it over here. Because this has got to come down anyway, and that way nothing's here. Just get the trailer down here and load the trailer up. Because this has got to come down.
I know, but you need a piece in there so you can put the rock over it, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
Because the more you go over it, the harder it's going to be to get your stuff back. Because you already got your trench dug.
So you're saying go ahead and put the piece in here,
I
put the
would.
rock back on top of it, and then...
I would, and then you can kind of drive over it. But is this down low enough over here?
I think so, yeah, because it was broke over here. That was where I just
I know,
pulled
but
it
I
out.
meant, is the pipe laid
I think so.
low enough? You're going to have to get something done before Tuesday. We're going to get 8 to 10 inches of snow.
Well, let me go upstairs. I think I used what I had. Let me
So,
go upstairs and look.
Do I need to dig out anything?
Yeah, why don't you dig over there, honey? Just over there. Go ahead.
This is your
You got some
boo-boo.
catching up to do.
You're the one that broke it. Where's your mic? We're gonna have road noise. So we call this take 2 since my husband decided to destroy it the first time with the excavator. Yep. You thought, oh, what the heck? I feel like doing this again.
See, the problem is I gotta lift this up, put it together. Stuff is gonna get up underneath there.
You can't pull it out that way a little bit?
Huh?
You can't pull it?
Not really.
Well, if I have to, I'll help you shovel. Since it is your mistake. Where's your gloves?
I was trying to get it together so well. That's a problem.
You want me to go down there and lift?
I may have to take it out after all.
Well, if you do, we should lift it and try to get whatever rocks are in it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
What do you want me to do? Shut this off?
Yeah. almost have too much of an angle here. It really needs to be going
straight. Well,
yeah.
you can take your excavator and pull some back.
I think I'm just going to leave it like this. Just take that out, straighten this up. I think that's probably what we need to do. Because it got a curve, and I knew it had a curve in there. I was trying to get on that side of the tree, but I guess it really probably needs to be on that side of the tree. You agree?
So you're going to go that way with it, on the right side?
The bend here is just... I mean, I've got the excavator, so it doesn't make sense to fight it.
So...
So I think I'm going to go like that.
How's that again?
But we can leave it like this for now.
Why don't you mean you don't want to dig it out tonight before it starts raining?
I could. I'm dirty now. I need to get my gloves. It's going to be dark here in about 2 seconds.
Going on this side where your dirt mound is here on the left.
Just kind of on it.
And you go over a little bit. Whoops. If you just scoop a little of that out over there, it should be okay.
I can't hear you.
If you scoop some of this out on the left. Yeah.
Okay, we are back out here today. Ann's brought some rock up here and put on the bottom of the pipe. I'm going to go get the tractor and we're going to get some put on top of it and try to get this covered up tonight. Yeah, so we got the new piece in there last night, so she's been working on this today. So I'm going to go get the tractor warmed up and get some rock down here and try to get this covered up. so much fun. Okay, we finished up for the night out here, Scott.